How to play Helldivers 2 in split screen. And today in this video, my goal is to clarify any doubts you might have about the potential for the split screen play in the Helldivers 2. As you are likely aware, Helldivers 2 was recently released, and at the time of filming this video, some players have been inquisitive about the feasibility of the split screen, also referred to as couch co-op, where multiple players share a single screen on one system. When you have access to the pause menu and navigate to the social options, you will observe that the only feature available for is the online play. This feature enables you to invite players to your squad and undertake missions together, but it necessitates each player to be online on their own system. Upon exploring the game settings, you will encounter various categories like gameplay, display graphics, audio, and more. However, none of these options are related to couch co-op or split screen functionality. As of the initial release day of Helldivers 2, there is no indication of the split screen support unless the developers issue an update addressing this. A split screen will remain inaccessible, and whether you're playing on a PC or PlayStation, split screen support is not available at this time. While the intention of this video is not to spread misinformation, and it is really crucial to recognize that the split screen is currently not featured in the game. Nevertheless, if future updates rectify this omission, split screen functionality could potentially be introduced. In order to summarize, until an update incorporates split screen capabilities, engaging in shared split screen gameplay on the same system in Helldivers 2 is not feasible, regardless of your platform. If this video has helped to clarify uncertainties you had, please consider showing support by liking and subscribing for more enlightening content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.